is exponent? An exponent is a short way of writing repeated multiplication. एक्सपोनेंट बार बार होने वाली मल्टीप्लिकेशन के अमल को लिखने का एक मुख्तसर तरीका है और an exponent tells us how many times a number which is called base is multiplied by itself. एक्सपोनेंट हमें बताता है कि कोई नंबर यानी बेस कितनी बार खुद से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है. When we say a to the power m, a to the power m mean a is multiplied by itself m times. यहाँ पर a base है and m exponent है. Examples 2 to the power 4. यहाँ पर 2 base है, 4 exponent है. 2 to the power 4 mean 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times, which is 16. 2 to the power 5 mean 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times, which is 32. These are the rules of exponent that we will study one by one. We will also solve several examples for each rule so that you can understand the concepts clearly and apply them with confidence. So let's begin with the first rule. Rule number 1. Product of powers. A to the power m times a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. When we multiply powers with the same base, we keep the base and add the exponents. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब दो पावर्स का बेस सेम हो और इनको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो बेस वही रहता है और सिर्फ एक्सपोनेंट को ऐड किया जाता है. एग्जांपल 1. 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 4. Since bases are same, so we keep the base 2 and add the exponent, we get 2 to the power 7, and 2 to the power 7 means 2 is multiplied by itself 7 times, which is 128. लेकिन सवाल ये है कि जब बेसिस सेम हो तो एक्सपोनेंट को ऐड क्यों करते हैं, ये रूल क्यों और कैसे काम करता है, आइए इसको समझते हैं. 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 3 means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. 2 to the power 4 means 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times, which is 7 times, and total, which is 2 to the power 7, which is 128. Example 2. X to the power 7 times x to the power 3. Again, bases are same, so we keep the base x and add the exponent, we get x to the power 10. Example 3. Z to the power 3 times z to the power 4 times z to the power 5. Once again, bases are same, so we keep the base and add the exponent, which is z to the power 12. Rule number 2. Quotient of powers. A to the power m divided by a to the power n equal a to the power m minus n. When we divide powers with the same base, we keep the base and subtract the exponents. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब दो पावर्स का बेस सेम हो और इनको आपस में डिवाइड किया जाए तो बेस वही रहता है और सिर्फ एक्सपोनेंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाता है. एग्जांपल 1. 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 3. Since bases are same, so we keep the base 2 and subtract the exponent 7 minus 3, which is 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 4 means 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times, which is 16. लेकिन सवाल ये है कि जब बेसिस सेम हो तो एक्सपोनेंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट क्यों करते हैं, ये रूल क्यों और कैसे काम करता है, आइए इसको समझते हैं. 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 7 means 2 is multiplied by itself 7 times. 2 to the power 3 means 2 is multiplied by itself 3 times. Now we cancel the top 3 2's on numerator with the bottom 3 2's on denominator. We left 4 2's on top, which is 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Example 2. X to the power 10 divided by x to the power 6. Again, bases are same, so we keep the base x and subtract the exponent 10 minus 6, which is x to the power 4. Rule number 3. power of power. A to the power m whole power n equal a to the power m times n. When we raise a power to another power, we keep the base and multiply the exponents. इस रूल के मुताबिक अगर किसी पावर पर दोबारा पावर हो तो बेस वही रहता है और दोनों पावर्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. Example 1. 3 to the power 2 whole power 4. We keep the base 3 and multiply the exponent 2 times 4, which is 3 to the power 8, and 3 to the power 8 means 3 is multiplied by itself 8 times, which is 6561. लेकिन सवाल ये है कि जब पावर पर दोबारा पावर हो तो दोनों पावर्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई क्यों करते हैं, ये रूल क्यों और कैसे काम करता है, आइए इसको समझते हैं. 3 to the power 2 whole power 4 means 3 to the power 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Each group has two threes and there are four groups. So we have 8 threes and total we get 3 to the power 8, and 3 to the power 8 means 6561, which is exactly what the rule gave us. Example 2. X to the power 3 whole power 4. We keep the base x, multiply the exponent 3 times 4, which is x to the power 12. Rule number 4. Power of a product. A times b whole power m equal a to the power m times b to the power m. When a product is raised to a power, we distribute the exponents to each factor inside the parenthesis. इस रूल के मुताबिक अगर दो या दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स पर एक ही पावर हो तो वो पावर हर फैक्टर पर अलग अलग लगाई जाती है. एग्जाम्पल 1. 2x whole power 5. We distribute the power. We Example 1. 2x whole power 5. We distribute the power on 2 and the variable x. We get 2 to the power 5 times x to the power 5, which is 32x to the power 5. लेकिन सवाल ये है कि जब दो या दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स पर एक ही पावर हो तो वो पावर हर फैक्टर पर अलग अलग क्यों लगाई जाती है, ये रूल क्यों और कैसे काम करते हैं, आइए इसको समझते हैं. 2x whole power 5. The exponent 5 means the base 2x is multiplied by itself 5 times. We group the numbers together and the variable together. 2 is multiplied by itself 5 times and the variable x is also multiplied by itself 5 times. We get 2 to the power 5 times x to the power 5, which is 32x to the power 5, which is exactly what the rule gave us. Example 2. 3x whole power 3. We distribute the power on both 3 and the variable x. We get 3 to the power 3 times x to the power 3, which is 27x to the power 3. Rule number 5. Power of a quotient. A divided by b whole power m equal a to the power m divided by b to the power m. When a fraction is raised to a power, we distribute the exponent to both numerator and denominator. इस रूल के मुताबिक अगर किसी फ्रैक्शन पर पावर हो तो वो पावर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों पर अलग अलग लगाई जाती है. एग्जाम्पल 1. 2 divided by 3 whole power 4. We distribute the exponent to both numerator and denominator. We get 2 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4, which is 16 divided by 81. लेकिन सवाल ये है कि जब किसी फ्रैक्शन पर पावर हो तो वो पावर न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों पर अलग अलग क्यों लगाई जाती है, ये रूल क्यों और कैसे काम करते हैं, आइए इसको समझते हैं. 2 divided by 3 whole power 4. The exponent 4 means the base 2 divided by 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. And numerator 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times and denominator 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times, which is 2 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4, which is 16 divided by 81, which is exactly what the rule gives us. Example 2. 2x to the power 3 divided by 5 whole power 2. We distribute the power to numerator and denominator, we get 2x to the power 3 whole power 2 divided by 5 to the power 2. Once again, we distribute the power to Now again, we distribute the power to numerator, we get 2 to the power 4 times x to the power 3 whole power 2 divided by 5 to the power 2, we get 4x to the power 6 divided by 25. Rule number 6, zero exponent rule. A to the power 0 equal 1 where a is not equal 0. Any non-zero number raised to the 0 power equals 1. A to the power 0 equal a to the power 1 minus 1, which is a to the power 1 times a to the power minus 1, because we know that a to the power m times a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. Now we can write a to the power 1 times 1 divided by a to the power 1, because a to the power minus m equal 1 divided by a to the power m, which is a divided by a. Now cancel a in numerator with denominator, which is 1. Examples: 2 to the power 0 equal 1 and 3 to the power 0 also equal 1. Rule number 7, negative exponent rule. A to the power minus m equal 1 divided by a to the power m. When a base has a negative exponent, we take the reciprocal and make the exponent positive. 1 divided by a to the power minus m equal a to the power m, and a divided by b whole power minus m equal b divided by a whole power m. Example 1, 2 to the power minus 3. We take reciprocal and make the exponent positive. We get 1 divided by 2 to the power 3, which is 1 divided by 8. Example 2, 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. Again, we take reciprocal and make the exponent positive. We get 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Example 3, 4 divided by 3 whole power minus 2. Take reciprocal and make exponent positive. We get 3 divided by 4 whole power 2. Now distribute exponent to both numerator and denominator. We get 3 to the power 2 divided by 4 to the power 2, which is 9 divided by 16. ये रूल क्यों और कैसे काम करता है, आइए इसको समझते हैं. 4 divided by 3 whole power minus 2. We distribute the exponent to both numerator and denominator. We get 4 to the power minus 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 2. Now take reciprocal and make exponent positive. We get 3 to the power 2 divided by 4 to the power 2, which is 9 divided by 16, which is exactly what the rule gives us. Rule number 8, equality of base rule. A to the power m equal a to the power n if and only if m equal n. अगर बेसिस सेम हो तो फिर पावर इक्वल होंगे. एग्जाम्पल, a to the power x equal 2 to the power 2x plus 3. 8 को हम 2 to the power 3 लिख सकते हैं. 2 to the power 3 whole power x equal 2 to the power 2x plus 3. When we raise a power to another power, we keep the base and multiply the exponent. So we get 2 to the power 3x equal 2 to the power 2x plus 3. Since bases are same, we cancel the base and make the exponent equal. 3x equal 2x plus 3. 3x minus 2x equal 3. We get x equal 3. Rule number 9, equality of exponent rule. A to the power m equal b to the power m if and only if a equal b. अगर एक्सपोनेंट सेम हो तो फिर बेस इक्वल होंगे. एग्जाम्पल, x to the power 3 equal 8. X to the power 3 equal 2 to the power 3. We know that 2 to the power 3 equal 8. Since exponents are same, so we cancel the exponent. We get x equal 2. Rule number 10, fractional exponent rule. Nth root of a equal a to the power 1 divided by n. Nth root of a to the power m equal a to the power m divided by n. Example 1. Cube root of 8 equal a to the power 1 divided by 3. We can write 2 to the power 3 whole power 1 divided by 3. Now we cancel the power, we get 2. Example 2. Cube root of 2 to the power 6 equal 2 to the power 6 whole power 1 divided by 3. We get 2 to the power 6 divided by 3. Now cancel the common factor, we get 2 to the power 2, which is 4.